This review is about the Sailrite WorkerB power system, and I can tell you up front that I like this a lot, but it may not be for the reason you think. If you're at all familiar with Sailrite, finding all these high-end pieces in it is not going to be surprising. And Sailrite always has a huge number of very well done videos in support of all their products. I want to make it very clear that there's absolutely nothing wrong with the Sailrite UltraFeed machine as it comes from the factory. For many users, this machine will be just fine as it is right out of the box. I use these machines every day, and having a little more power means more durability to me. I like my machines to have plenty of power, so in normal use they're just kind of loafing along. They're not straining themselves all the time. That concept has worked well for me because my machines last a very, very long time. There's really no point in spending a lot of time showing me making this swap. As is the case with everything that Sailrite makes, everything fit perfectly and I had all of the parts I needed to make the change. Sailrite has a great video on their site showing you how to do this swap. I'll put a link to that video in the description of this video. And I can make better use of my time here showing you why I like this system. This is the control box for the WorkerB system, and it brings a couple of nice features. It has a socket so we can plug in a work light, and the switch on it turns on both the machine and the light. Of course, at the heart of this system is the 1/4 horsepower motor. Along with the control box, this motor develops more power when you need it without any further adjustments. This dial lets you set the maximum RPM the motor will reach, but you still have full range of control at the foot pedal. I like going fast as much as anybody, but I'm a lot more accurate when I slow things down. With all that power available, even at the lower speeds, my UltraFeed can now cruise right through stacks of fabrics that are 3 and 4 times as much as I normally use. That lets me slow down so I can be accurate even when working with thick seams. Another feature that lets the WorkerB develop so much controllable power is its belt reduction system. Using cog belt drives is more expensive, but you don't have any slip. I meant to do this video weeks ago, but we got really busy, so I've been using my UltraFeed with the WorkerB system all that time. I was impressed with this system when I first put it in, but now that we've used it for several weeks in real production, I'm impressed even more. The power is great, and there's more than most of us are ever going to need, but the control is really important to me. The stack I'm working with here is 12 layers of canvas, where we normally sew at the maximum 4. I like being able to slow the machine down for accuracy without hearing any grunts and groans from it. Sailrite machines have a reputation for being able to sew just about anything that'll fit under the presser foot. With the WorkerB system, you can sew those stacks as slow or as fast as you need. Something I don't fully understand about these machines is that I can sew 2 layers, 4 layers, or 12 layers of canvas at whatever speed, and the stitch never changes. And that means whatever I'm working with, I can sew more and adjust less. In the end, the WorkerB system has let me produce better quality work in less time.